Hey everyone, Sylvia here and welcome all to my anonymous AI review. So here we have the members area of Anonymous AI. That's the newest launch by James Renouf and Max Gerstenmaier. Now I have watched all the way through this quite lengthy training, guys. There's a lot of content to go through. So I did my sweet time to check everything out. So after having watched my review, this product will not be that anonymous for you anymore. Okay, I will reveal some secrets. Now these guys, James, Renouf and Max, are launching this product on the 11th of February at 10 a.m. New York time. This is when the product goes live, and as of that date and that time, you will be able to grab it via the link below my review. It will be in the description box, and if you've done so, you will also get some super cool bonuses which will go hand in hand with this product. Okay, TikTok Revolution, which was one of the previous launches, like this, right? Launches by Max and James as well. You know, I happen to have a good relationship with, especially with Max. I don't chat that much with James. Sometimes I do when I ask him for the review access, but with Max, yeah, we chat a lot. He's so cool, so helpful, so supportive, and you know, very good-hearted guy. That's all I can say. And I could tell more, but you know, I think that just describes the essence of that person. His heart is in the right place. And he allowed me to give access to my buyers to TikTok Revolution. So let me see if I can show you the members area of this training course. Let me see if I can log in. There you go. So here we have James here, full training course. And why is it going to complement this product like there is no tomorrow? This bonus in particular, TikTok Revolution. There are a few other super valuable bonuses I give you access to as well. Just pause the video and, you know, check them out. Because guys, you will be leveraging the power of, well, obviously AI, faceless videos, TikTok being the platform which you would be working here with, and TikTok Shop. Okay, I might have already said too much since these guys want to keep it anonymous, but you will see inside of the members area there is a lot, like this TikTok Shop is mentioned a lot. Now, these guys have discovered that this is like a, you know, blooming marketplace these days, TikTok Shop, and combining your TikTok account with your TikTok Shop. Okay, you can obviously open up a TikTok Shop for free. And the same applies to TikTok, your TikTok account, right? Now guys, here's the hack they do mention on the sales page. I'm not going to sort of like read through the sales page, blah blah blah. Okay, I'll let you do the job. Okay, that's available for you. I'm more focused on, you know, showing you and discussing what's inside of the members area. But I just want to mention before I, you know, jump into the members area of Anonymous AI, that there will be this hack they'll be mentioning on the sales page, where you can bypass the 5K TikTok subscribers and start pretty much with 0 following, start promoting either your offers or affiliate offers if you don't want to create any offers, or if you don't want to have any offers. However, they're showing the training course a way to create your products and sell via TikTok Shop, just like that, so easily. All right. So by utilizing these two platforms, sort of putting them together, you know, well, since they want to keep it quite anonymous, I'm not too comfortable revealing too much. But yeah, they'll show you a way to sort of link TikTok account with your TikTok Shop and start promoting stuff, affiliate offers, you know, start making money as an affiliate on TikTok with a brand new account with like literally 0 following. So this is quite insane, and this in and of itself sort of is worth the price of the course. That, you know, not many people know about hacks like that. So it's quite brilliant how these guys are up to date with what's trendy these days, what's upcoming, what's like, you know, really picking up, the marketplaces which are really picking up. And because TikTok Shop TikTok Shop wants to compete and even be better than Shopify and other platforms, okay, out there. So it's really making stuff super easy and accessible and simple for, you know, for new accounts to make it happen for them, okay, to bring traffic and all of that stuff, to help generate traffic. So yeah, all right, let me just show you what you will find inside of this training course. So guys, you will have the introduction, and then these guys will give you a special invite to a live event, and I'm sure, you know, there's a high ticket course after that, but, you know, as they say very transparently, and they will invite you to it right at the end, at some point at the end, after you have gone through the whole training. So it's really for people who took the sweet time, okay, put that effort into actually watching the way through the training and want to take a massive action. It's for the action takers. So they don't want anybody who believes that money grows on the trees and stuff like that. Somebody who's, you know, down to earth and is ready to put in the time, effort, and, you know, they have shortcuts for you, but you have to show commitment. Anyhow, below you will have some, you know, you can subscribe to James's YouTube channel, Max's, all of that, and you'll have the upsells. Now let me show you the modules here you have to the left. So after the introduction, they'll show you they'll give you the overview of the training, then and here in this, why this is the moment you cannot miss out on, because the timing is great. The TikTok Shop has launched really like a couple of months ago, maybe 2 months ago. I mean, it's been in the testing for the last year or so, but it really started getting a lot of traction over the last few months. So it's really like the, you know, as I like to say, the new thing in town. It is trendy these days. So you may want to jump on that train now. Okay, they'll talk about the mindset, very good video, income proofs. They have, you know, especially Max has been making money with TikTok Shop. Max is just amazing. He's so multitasking and sort of like creating a crazy number of income streams. I don't know how he does it, but yeah, he's amazing. So then, okay, and then the first sort of few videos will be like a combination of, it will be Max and James talking, right? And then from then on, it will be either Max presenting the information or James. And it's very straightforward sort of tutorial. So this is like setting up TikTok account. And remember, with my bonus here, this TikTok Revolution, this is like in-depth going into TikTok. So, cool. It will really complement it nicely. And then they'll reveal this hack, secret hack, that allows you to become a TikTok affiliate without the, 5,000 follower requirement. So you'll bypass this sort of requirement by implementing this hack. And then they'll show you how to become a TikTok Shop affiliate in case you just want to be an affiliate, you don't want to sell your products, even though later on they'll discuss how to create effortlessly your own physical products as well. Do the dropshipping, the so-called dropshipping, and the print on demand and all of that shifting sort of stuff by using this platform Printful here, which you just wash off your hands, you put up you design your product, put it up there, and they put the Printful creates the product and do all of the shifting and all of that. Okay, so they show you how to create text-based design using AI or Canva, how to use the art design for your TikTok Shop products. Okay, and guys, it seems like a lot. It might be a little bit overwhelming, all of that. but it's not, okay? It's they show you different ways, different possibilities here, different options, and you choose what you want to do. You can just stick to being an affiliate. You may not want to bother even creating this, designing really this product, and then, you know, shifting that responsibility of, well, the responsibility of putting this product together and shifting it to the clients. So you choose what you want to do, how you want to use it. Like, possibilities are really, like, there's an ocean of possibilities here. And then here Max will go through TikTok's store marketing tools. And as he said in his video, TikTok is really pushing the store these days, and is making super easy for its users, providing with super cool tools to make the whole process of making money with TikTok store not just possible, but like really profitable, and yeah, very lucrative. Right, and then how you can get affiliates to promote your products. And back in the days it would be sort of like quite tricky, because you would need to contact the influencers on Instagram and reach out to them, like, you know, sort of manually. Here inside of TikTok shop, it's so like automated and easily, it's arranged really conveniently, okay, to get your affiliates to promote your products. Right, and then they'll discuss the advantages of having AI create your TikTok product promo videos. And then from then on, it's sort of like, I thought there was some kind of disconnect between this and the videos below. So I talked about that with Max, and Max was saying, I was like, okay, because you're showing here how to create AI characters, so faceless videos, all of that. Max was just saying, you know, it should really be, this product should really stop here at this TikTok store marketing tools, but they added some videos as a bonus, sort of like a bonus section, because he knows most people will be reluctant when it comes to creating their own videos and putting the face on the camera, and they want to know how to create faceless videos, which then they could use them on the TikTok accounts, okay? So yeah, follow this training to create faceless videos. Right, guys, so a lot to, trust me, a lot to go through. I mean, amazing new method. And yeah, just a reminder about my bonuses if you decide to pick it up via the link below my review. So I'll end it here. There will be some upsells, of course, upsells, downsells. So I would encourage you guys to check out every single of the upsells, the sales pages to each and every of the upsells. See what you would benefit from, and pick up the ones that are suitable for your business needs. All right, and guys, love you and leave you. Thank you so much for tuning in for my anonymous AI review, another super cool product. Rest assured that I'm not, you know, telling you porcupines here. I have watched all the way through this training course. So impressive stuff. I am impressed always with how these guys come up with the trendy things, what's selling, what's doing great, okay, currently. So, ciao, and I shall see you very soon. And grab that link below my review if you want to jump on the new train, fast train. Bye.